Good morning, kids. Mr. Agee here. And to access your math assignment for today, Tuesday, October 20th, you'll go into the Week 10 Math and Word Study from Agee folder. Click into the math folder and you'll see that there are two videos that I'd like for you to watch before you complete the Lesson 6 problem set in Module 2. So we're changing gears here. This unit is all about measurement, and the first 5 lessons were all about telling time, and now we're switching to a different kind of measurement. We are looking at measuring mass. Sometimes we call it weight. The distinction between mass and weight is slightly different, but for our purposes, we can call them the same thing. We are you're first going to watch this, the video that you're watching right now, and then you're going to go into Tuesday Math 2. It's an introduction to grams and kilograms, and if you've ever seen the Brain Pop video, this is the robot, and he is describing what grams and kilograms are. So it's a unit of mass measurement in the metric system, which is a base 10 system, just like our number system. So oftentimes when we measure our own mass in America, we measure it in pounds and ounces. But pounds and ounces aren't really friendly with the base 10 system. They're kind of wonky units that don't really match up with dividing things evenly into 10 or multiplying things out by 10. The metric system is really handy for that. And so grams and kilograms is a good way to both work with our base 10 system, which we're trying to learn, and learning how to measure on a balance scale in grams and kilograms. So you're going to watch this video, this introduction to grams and kilograms. Then you're actually going to watch a teacher decompose a kilogram into 100-gram units, and then each 100-gram unit gets divided into 10 10-gram units, and then the 10-gram units get divided into gram units, and that goes directly with the lesson 6 work that you're going to do. So she's going to provide you images that go with the pictures that they ask you to draw in lesson 6. I would show you on the actual lesson page, but unfortunately my Eureka Math Great Minds in Sync app is not working this morning, and so I can't show you the image of the lesson pages that you have to do. However, I think that after you watch both of these videos, you can find a way to be successful in the lesson 6 workbook page, and I'll be sure to post a finished version of that for you to check your work against. But that is your assignment for today. Watch these videos and complete the drawings in lesson 6. All right, good luck and have fun. I hope you enjoy your math today.